When we were young, when we felt gold, we felt something, we felt far away from this world. And there was bottle brush calling us, the ocean fire crackling beneath those stars. 7 miles, that track sent us somewhere where we could breathe and be ourselves. This was the place better than old things left in our shadow long since gone. And always seems gold. We lifted that gold. No more greedy hearts, only like-minded souls. And always seems gold. We lifted that gold. No more greedy hearts, only like-minded souls. Where we breathe for love. And all these moments conversed upon us and amongst the shade. And we harnessed and broke down the barriers. It was us that bring shape today. And I've since moved on, but I remember fondly of those days of young souls, young minds careless of the troubles. We were the light like sun over horizon.
as your enemy or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is 18 since I told you and you took away my name. Now when you saw me, you turned away your head. You won't forgive me, and I will understand now and then. Used to be your future, now you see me as your end. When you're hiding, we're colliding. Better be and stop pretend. I was silent, you were blind. Better leave those fears behind. If you're still bleeding, see me as a friend. You won't believe me, and I will understand now and then.
Pourquoi, chérie? Pourquoi t'as fait ça?
Now and then.
J'ai pris une vidéo comme ça.
Believe me. Won't be